You found my horsies?
Talk baby talk or something. Go up there and get your face eat off.
By what?
That German Shepherd.
Oh, crap. Hey, darling.
Is he bad?
That's nice.
Hey, darling. I want them all. Can I have them? Did you see that little blonde? They all love me. Oh my gosh. Hey, baby. That one right there, that's the one I want. Hey, darling. Hey, oh, ain't that one pretty? Beautimous. Huh? Which one's Gertrude? Which one's Bert and which one's Ernie? Huh?
Yeah, it'd be hard to tell them apart.
Come on, poke along. Hey, darling. Hey, darling. You are so pretty. You are so, hey. You are so pretty. You don't like them ears touched?
Look, he's rolling.
Oh my gosh, that one's beautiful. He getting his belly scratched. No, his belly is back. Hey, darling. Get over here and get on some hot wire. And they're... Oh, that's some good chuggers. That's some good chuggers.
And then it ended up going into this one room where it was like you're in a rocket and it's like you're going back down to Earth.
Oh, so it was crazy? It was scary?
No, it was pretty cool though.
Come here, do your teefies
None
again.
of it was scary, but I get motion sickness real easy.
Me too.
So I was taking some meclizine. And then I ran out the last day. And I had to go to the first aid to get one.
Y'all quit fighting. Look at that face, look at that face. Do it for me.
That black one right there on the bill good too.
Mm-hmm, he's pretty, ain't he?
Yep.
Look at that. Should you be my murder?
Everything went good.
Don't bite my chew.
So it was an experience everywhere. Like
It again.
we got there, Universal, and we stayed there till the morning.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Look at them ears. Look at them ears. We get such pretty ears.
Stayed at the Animal Kingdom.
Marketplace up.
It's good.
He said, you got any more of them cookies, lady?
Good.
Give me some more of them cookies. Oh, that was... I don't got no more.
That's what he's wanting.
I know.
Back.
What's your name? What's your name?
Try to give him a